Today, I'll show you how to set Google Trends to worldwide so you can see interest in a topic across the entire globe rather than just in a single country or region. This is really useful if you're doing market research, creating content for an international audience, or just curious about how a topic is trending around the world. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Trends website by typing trends.google.com into the address bar and pressing enter. You don't need any special account to view trends, but if you're already signed into your Google account, that's completely fine too. Once the page loads, you'll see the main Google Trends homepage, often with some featured topics or charts. Don't worry too much about those. We'll focus on searching for your own keyword. Next, look for the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you can type in any topic, search term, or keyword you want to analyze. Go ahead and click in that search box and type your keyword. It could be a product name, a brand, a general topic like fitness, or anything else you're interested in. After you've typed your keyword, press enter on your keyboard or click the search icon to start exploring that term. When the results page loads, you'll see a graph and several filters that help you narrow down the data. To access more detailed options and make sure you're in the right view, click on the Explore option associated with your search. On many layouts, this appears automatically when you search, but if you see an Explore link or button, click that. This takes you into the main exploration view where you can adjust things like time range, category, and most importantly for this tutorial, location. Now focus on the location settings. On the left side of the screen, or sometimes near the top depending on your device, you'll see a drop down that shows a country or region such as United States or United Kingdom or whatever your default location is. This is the trend location. This setting controls where Google is pulling its interest data from. If it's set to a single country, you're only seeing how that topic performs there, not around the world. Click on that location drop down. A list of different countries and regions will appear along with an option for worldwide. Scroll through the list if you need to, and then select the worldwide option. As soon as you click it, the page will refresh and all of the charts and related data will update to reflect global interest, not just one location. At this point, your Google Trends view is set to worldwide. You'll notice that the map, the interest over time graph, and related queries are now based on data from all countries combined. From here, you can adjust other filters like time period or category, or change your keyword and keep exploring while staying in worldwide mode. That's all you need to do. You've gone to trends.google.com, searched for a keyword, opened the Explore view, selected the trend location and switched it to worldwide so you can get a global perspective on your topic.